Oh, hi channel, I just thought I'd put together this montage of 10-second clips of a journey I took out to Birdsville from Brisbane in Queensland, Australia. So the 10-second clips are basically just random 10-second clips of the road as I saw it for much of the 1500 kilometres from Brisbane, mainly starting actually at St George area all the way out to the Birdsville Track. Please subscribe to my Patreon channel. I've now set up a $1 tier so you can get access to the narratives for this trip and many other trips before and some other blogs. You can also post questions on the Patreon platform as well to me. So feel free to do that. Thank you very much, and please subscribe to the YouTube channel and the Instagram feed. But like I say, best of all, if you could do the $1 Patreon subscription, that would be absolutely fantastic to enable me to do more of these trips. Thank you.
It don't matter where I am, I won't be a happy man if those clouds just follow me. Someone said to me, you're a fool to wait. I will take you down to the river, and the stream will wash away all the pain of yesterday. I said thanks, but I'll just wait for the rain. Oh, after the rain, when the clouds roll away, when my skin is soaked with water, when my legs can't hold the weight, when I'm waiting for my fate, I'll be new again after the rain. What Jesus said, he never spoke to me, but I thank the sky above for pouring down her holy love to save a wretch like me. Oh, after the rain, when the clouds roll away, when my skin is soaked through with water, when the night won't turn to day, when the pain is awful great, I'll be new again after the rain. South on Highway 25, and I'm going just as fast as I can try. Adios to the USA, I'll see you again someday. But tonight, I got a better place to be. And tonight, I'll be staying on the coast of Mexico, in a little tent out on the beach, down as far as I can go, with a button-up peyote or a little bit of Mexican snow. Whoa, 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 Mexico. Yeah, tell me, Mas Mescal, I've got things I want to see. But I'm stuck here now because I threw away my key. So come on, senorita, come on in by Lake Conmigo, 'cause I'll be staying on the coast of Mexico, in a little tent out on the beach, down as far as I can go, with a button of peyote or a little bit of Mexican blow. Whoa, 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 Mexico. Whoa.